In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your TikTok business account to a personal account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok account and then tap on profile here to reveal the menu. Now from the menu, tap on this menu bar and you should see settings and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. It is under creation and business tools. And still from here, you should be able to see your current account type. It is a business suite account. So go ahead and click on settings and privacy. And then under this, look for account. Now here under account, you should see an option to switch to personal account. Go ahead and tap on this. And you're told here, if you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features. Your account will no longer show your business website and email. You'll still be responsible for any violation you receive on your business account. If you are okay with this, go ahead and tap on switch anyway, and this will go ahead and switch your account to a personal account now. So that's how you can switch to a personal account on TikTok. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.